lesson, I'm going to look at writing some of our own inequalities from words that they give us. So we have something here that says 1/8 of a number, and I'm looking at number 24 right now. 1/8 of a number is less than or equal to 3. So the way we write 1/8 of a number is 1/8 times a number, right? So it'll be 1/8 x is less than or equal to, so less than or equal to, there's 3. So now I have that. Then it's just a matter of saying, okay, am I going to solve this by dividing or multiplying? Well, 1/8 of x is the same thing as x over 8. So we're going to multiply. And in this case, we're going to multiply by, if they leave it as a fraction, you can think of it as multiplying by the reciprocal, even though you are technically just multiplying by that number down there, which is 8. But I think the reciprocal way of thinking about it's probably maybe a little less confusing. So flip that thing around, multiply by it, so you get 8. Because we're multiplying by a positive number, we don't have to worry about changing the sign around. So our 8's cancel, and you get x is less than or equal to 24, and then you're finished. That's really all there is that you have to do for those. They're not asking you to plot them or graph them or anything like that, so that's nice. So let's try 25 now. So you have -12 times the number, so that's -12 times the number, is no more than. All right, so if it's no more than, it's going to be the same thing. It means it could be as much as, but not greater than 84. Okay, so -12x. And now on this one, because we're multiplying, we're going to do the opposite operation, which is dividing. But remember, when we divide by whatever the coefficient is, which is -12, and you do it to the same side, because it's negative, my next step, I got to turn this thing around the other way. All right, so this cancels out, and you get x greater than or equal to, well, 84 divided by 12 is 7. And a positive divided by a negative is negative. And so you get x is greater than or equal to -7. So these are, again, if you can write these as equations, you can write them as inequalities. There's a few little wrinkles in there that you don't have to deal with equations, but it's basically the same kind of language overall. So good luck with this lesson, and I hope these videos were helpful.